welcome back to my channel Technical Indian Creator. So today I have made gesture control card which will gradually increase its speed by the output of accelerometer. So we have made gesture control card previously, but here in this card what will happen if the output is 350, the output of the accelerometer is 350, then 350 minus 150 will occur and the speed of both the motors will become 200. Now if the output of the accelerometer is 360, then 360 minus 150 will happen and the speed of both the motors will be 210. So if the speed is the output is 340, then the speed of both the motors will be 190. So like this we will increase the speed of the motors gradually as per the output of accelerometer. Now after that, if I keep my accelerometer in this forward position, then at that time we will get more than 340 output and the car will go in forward. Now if I will keep it in straight position, then it will be stopped. Now if I bend it towards reverse position, then the output will be below 320 and the car will go in reverse direction. So let's see how it is working. So this is the accelerometer. So as I told you, when I will bend it in the forward direction, so at that time if I get the output of 350, so 350 minus 150, that is 200, that will occur. So the speed of both the motors will be 200 and the output of the accelerometer will be 350. Now if I keep it straight to get the output between 320 to 340, so at that time it will be stopped, and if I do it like this, then it will show me reverse direction, that is below 320 minus 100 will be the speed of the motor. So 320, if I get the output of 310, so the speed of both the motors will be 210 and the output will be 310. So let's see how it is working. So this is the jack, the adapter, and here as you can see I have connected. So here the car is going in forward direction. If you stop, it is going in forward direction. Then here now it is going in reverse direction. See, reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward. The link of codes is given in description box, so you can refer the codes from the link given in the description box. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.